green? Gonna be red. Are you nervous? I won't. Don't worry. Hey, the best time I came back at the right time, right? I want lunch. I'm so hungry right now. It's okay. I'd be nervous. I hate going up against people that have beat me already though, because I'm like... Oh my gosh, on my friend's mat, they stopped the match and waited for her. Oh god. What? Don't lock hands. Oh no, no, we should, no, don't lock hands. Because they're like on top of each other. Yeah. Oh, now she's winning because of the locking hands thing. Okay, look at, yeah, he's there. Now you're like, I know, like, that's what my friends say. They're like, yeah. They're like, if they have you on your back, just laugh. That's Joey's dad. Yeah, Joey's on the pornography. Yeah. I don't know. The girls talk about his dad. Like I don't want to badmouth him, but like they say that he really pushes his sons to like wrestle. He really. Telling me that situation is dedicated to wrestling. No, and honestly, like we have guys on the football team too, right? But like, I don't know. And he's one of those coaches that gets mad and doesn't. I don't know. Around with it.
This is a quick.
It's okay, he did really good.